In a modern factory, the biggest enemy isn't a broken part, it's the unplanned stoppage that follows. Predictive maintenance flips that script by using AI to spot trouble before it starts. Sensors on motors, conveyors, and pumps stream vibration, temperature, and acoustic data into machine learning models trained on thousands of past failures. These models learn the subtle signatures of wear, a bearing that's slightly hotter, a gear that hums at a new frequency, and flag them for replacement during scheduled downtime. The result is a shift from reactive firefighting to proactive planning, cutting maintenance costs by up to 30% and reducing unplanned outages by as much as 70%. Quality control gets a parallel upgrade. Computer vision systems inspect every item on the line, catching microscopic defects that human eyes would miss. Together, these AI systems don't just make factories smarter, they make them more predictable. The takeaway: the most valuable machine on the factory floor might soon be the one that sees